Hi guys.
So we are back with another video. So in this video we are planning to show you our packaging process. So we are from Pune, by the way, and we are connected with a really nice foundation named Yutak. You might have seen it on Instagram, and there we are going to have a little pre-pride party as well as the pride parade, which is on 2nd of June. So we are very excited, and we are going to take our badges to the pride parade if anybody wants to purchase them, because maybe they were not able to buy them previously, or whatever might be the case. By the way, we are trying to sell our badges at the lowest cost. For now, the cost will be 60 rupees per badge, and it will include everything, the packaging and all of those things. For pre-orders, we love to make our badges and the packaging look awesome. I love packaging, and I love spending money on packaging items. Athira and I are very much on it. We just go ahead and purchase everything that we find aesthetic and beautiful. So for pre-orders especially, we tend to have these like really nice packaging, but if it is in person, then I am not sure, because we won't be having any kind of a stall or something like that. We're just experimenting right now. We had come in contact with, we were looking for a lot of stalls and all of those things, but right now we are brokies. Hence we will be selling at the pride parade and the pre-pride party. I'm sorry for glitching. By the way, this so the badge that we showed just now, it has come out matte. All of the others are glossy. As you can see, they're like reflecting light. This one is also reflecting some light, but it is not. It is kind of absorbing it. It is matte, as I've shown in the video, and Rushi has really liked it.
Even though I'm not bisexual, I might just give it a try.
Yeah, so the badges are so lovely. You might also change your sexuality just to wear them. You don't need to do that, because we also customize our badges so that you can get any badge, or you can just present your ideas. So one of these badges, this one, it is customized by the Pride is written on it, and beautiful wings. And this place is chaotic. So the badge is like this. It is for couples, and it's so cute. And this was actually, yeah, exactly. And the wings are like connecting. The wings are like connecting. So like that's really beautiful. And this was not our idea. This was proposed by one of our customers, and he asked us to design it that way, and we love the idea. To be honest, we are really willing to make these badges which are for like couple coded, and like this time we are just working on pride, because we love pride, we support pride, but as pride goes by, we also want to make badges which are like these anime badges, or even K-pop related badges, or certainly like I am not gay but my boyfriend is, some like funny badges. So we totally customize, and you don't have to be a designer, because you already have one designer with us. And like the idea was proposed, and this badge was made, and like you can just come in with your ideas. I think this video is really like not about packaging. Sorry for interrupting. Let's get on to the packaging process.
Yes.
We have got these really beautiful potlys for packaging. Let's say you want the couple badge. You can also buy them as a single one. The light is shifting so much. So you just put this. Ta-da! And it looks so beautiful. We used to package in like a brown paper bag. Hiroshi is just packing one order. We show it on the camera. These are so cute. I love these bags. The kind of royal finish it gives and the quality is like really good. By the way, we have got this from Bohriali in Pune, Ravivar Pet. And come to all the Pet area and you can find these. These are so beautiful and like we love the packaging in these because previously we were packaging in brown paper bags, but it unfortunately during delivery process and all of that it would just crumbled up and it didn't look that appealing. And we are certainly believers of great packaging. We love to make our packaging look really beautiful because when it comes from a small business, I think it's very important that you you're also putting forward your personality and we hold them as our personality. So we also give out freebies. As I told you, I make candles. So right now I am giving out these scented dead candles which have a little bit of flowers and they have different like what do we call it? Designs. I think I'm talking a lot. Can you please? Yes.
So as she said, we also make candles if you like them, and as you can see that scented candles are very expensive outside. So she makes the best kind of candles so you can say that you can buy it from here and very low. Very good price.
Yeah, and to be honest, I think spending is okay, but if you don't get the kind of worthy material, because for 60, I think this is great because for a great deal, you are getting a badge which is like a candle would melt away and all of that. This will stay with you as long as you don't lose it. And for candles as well, the thing is that I don't want to bash any company or anything, but a lot of times candles are not made of good quality wax. So if you're lighting them in your house, then I'm not sure if it's good for your health and all. And when it comes to a small business, it really reduces waste. That's what I think. Because we are working on such a tight budget, we don't waste much because we are making it all by ourselves. So if you go to any kind of a normal commercial business, they'll have 100 of each badges, but you don't know if all of them will be popular and would be sold out. And that's the reason why even if we got 50 plus badges this time, we did not bring out badges. All of them are of different design, and all of these designs, especially they are individual designs, so somebody can buy them. I understand the problem with it is that what if two people want the same brand? That can happen. That can definitely happen. But the thing is, first we really need to understand the market, how it is going, and then especially based on pre-orders giving orders for more badges, it's much better for us right now, I think so, because we really believe in sustainability, and that's the reason why like a lot of people would prefer plastic packaging just for like the see-through, like you can see it through. But if you use this, you are slightly investing more, because for plastic bags, I think it would be for a half a rupee or something like that. But for this, you are spending like 4 to 5 rupees for one potli. I understand that's a lot, but that's something that we need to do for our planet as well. And like our business completely believes in minimizing plastic waste or waste in general. I know that we are not the best brands out there. We are not even a brand. We have just started off 15 to 16 days ago, and it's just that I think it's also learning for us, but you must have certain principles in the very beginning if you just want to save up, or if you're just willing to like do something for the planet as well. As you already know, the climate is getting worse day by day. It's so like it's a dreadful thought to like step out of the house in the afternoon, because the sun has really taken its job seriously.
It's defrying us.
Exactly. So I think as a small business owner, even at a small scale, if we can try to make certain changes, then we have to, because again there is this quote, it's only one straw, said 1 billion people. So especially while starting this business, we had these thoughts that we don't want to make our packaging be like completely plastic or have even a bit of plastic. We are just trying to avoid that as much as possible. What are you doing?
I'm writing. Which I wrote it so badly. Oh my god, it looks so bad. One wasted.
What?
It's wasted.
It's good. So we are planning to attach these little stickers behind every single one of the badges, because we are not promoting pretty actively, but we really want to increase our following on Instagram and YouTube. So that's what we are trying. We'll take a leave now, because I know these in videos must be very informal. We are not professional content creators, but
That's true.
but we are just trying to learn things, to be honest. Even though we do not want to, we do not have this big plan, but it's just our dream to get our art out there. That's it. So even if it is that, even if it would have been a project for just 1 month, we would still invest our time in learning how to make videos, or because of the small business, I think we've learned a lot of skills. So that's why we wanted to try our hands on YouTube. So please make sure to follow us, subscribe us on YouTube and Instagram. And for now we don't have a website, but if you have any inquiries or any orders, you can just give it to us on Instagram. We have our contact details listed over there.
Yes. Thank you for watching the video.
Thank you.